How to add payment method on Google Play. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to add payment method on Google Play. This should be a quick video since it's easy, so if it helps, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight into the video. Let us open here the Play Store and make sure you are logged in on your account. Now just open your profile and you can see here the payment and subscriptions. Now enter the payment methods here. Now you will see here the add method payment selection. You can add credit card or debit card in here and even your PayPal account. So in my country, you can also add GCash and my account. Clicking on this will open up a screen where it asks you for the payment method details. Once done and registered, you can see here the added accounts right here on the top. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.